Hello, good morning, and happy Sunday to everybody. It is currently Sunday, January the 23rd of 2021, and this is going to be my daily update video. Welcome back to my YouTube. This is Kyle Onchain, and as per usual, I'm going to be going over the daily market update with you, with what's going on, any news, and highlighting any coins that or new projects that do potentially stand out to me. So, to get started, we're going to get started here with the market. The past couple of days I haven't made a video, but the market has taken a huge dive dramatically. We've got Bitcoin under 36,000, Ethereum under 25,000. The total crypto market cap is sitting at 1.6 trillion, which is well under our 2 trillion line that we've held for a very long time. So there is a lot of things that are on sale right now, and a lot of things that are a great buy. I will absolutely be taking this week as an opportunity to buy up some of this dip. I did discuss that in my video the other day as well, but I just wanted to go over it on here as well now that the markets are a little bit more. It's been a couple of days and we have a better idea. We're going to pop over to crypto bubbles. Today we've actually are having a slight recovery in the market. It's not to that great of an extent to where the prices are like right back where they were. They're still, most of everything is still pretty much down overall. So if you weren't able to buy in the past couple of days, now is probably a good time to go ahead and make some entries on some projects that you wanted to go into. I've actually been having my eye on Theta and ICP to add to my portfolio, because ICP at anything that's $20 or less is solid. This is a really good project. There's a lot of bad sentiment around it because it basically launched at $300, a $300 token, and just took a nosedive all the way down to where it is now. But yeah, we've got a lot of green in the market today. This is just like a general recovery. We don't know for certain if the market's going to go back to exactly to where it was, but we are seeing a little bit of green today. This may be due to some orders getting filled and people getting paid, so they put more money in. There's a lot of things that could be taken into account with this. It also could be an addition of everybody buying the dip, as they should be. So that's going to be it for that. Next up, we're going to go over the news. Let me refresh the page here. We're going to switch it to bearish first and see what we've got here. There's a clog in the Solana ecosystem, which is not surprising to me. A lot of Solana is very a lot of things about Solana are not appealing to me much anymore. Traders are complaining about Solana's performance, raising questions about its status as Wall Street darling. As a Wall Street darling, that's interesting. I didn't know they felt that way about it. Solana's blockchain has crashed 3 or 4 times, and they've been a subject to DDoS attacks multiple times. So I'm not too big of a fan of Solana anymore. I'm pretty bearish on it, to be honest with you. Let's switch to bullish just to see what kind of good news we do have. Looks like Turkey is going to be adopting cryptocurrency. Crypto and NFT meets regulation as Turkey takes on the digital future. That's really interesting because the president of El Salvador actually did go to Turkey to speak with the leader of Turkey, and it looks like we might be seeing Turkey doing some crypto adoption. Ethereum rival Phantom overtakes Solana and Avalanche to become 4th largest blockchain in total value locked. That's actually pretty crazy, guys. I gotta tip my hats off to Phantom. I was sleeping on them for a very long time, but they're doing great. Like, their total value locked surpasses Solana and Avalanche. That's pretty crazy. Now, that's not going to be market cap or price. That's just going to be solely based off of the total value locked on their layer 1 ecosystem, which is very, very impressive in my opinion. Let's see, what else do we have? Shiba Inu recovering 40% from recent low and surpasses Polygon Matic by market cap again. Something about HBAR being mentioned in the IBM website. And other than that, there's not much news to go over in regards to the news around the world. everything is pretty much the same news, just flowing into the next day, but it's it's just everything's on a slight increase from where we just were, and so everything is trending upwards right now. Now, for today's project, last time I discussed VXV. Today, I already talked about router protocol. I already talked about Centropy. I talked about Ardena yesterday. I talked about Alchemy. Let's talk about Lossless. So, a lot of you probably already know about Lossless. It's a hack mitigation blockchain that protects blockchains from hacks and losses and things like that. They've actually been successful in hack prevention 3 times already, and they have recovered funds from a hack where funds were taken before. I am probably very bullish on Lossless. It seems like it is extremely undervalued right now, and that price is really wonderful, to be honest with you. My average price is much higher than this, so I might be picking some up sooner than later, but not this week. I have my eyes on some other things this week. Haven't made my final decision on where my money's going yet, but yeah, they're great. They're partnered with basically almost all not all the layer ones, but a good amount of the layer ones that exist, and they're acquiring new partners every single day. A few weeks back, they launched their Volt protection, which has been performing very, very well based off of their news. Their Twitter space, they actually do talk about their updates and everything on a consistent basis. So getting that consistent news is definitely very valuable, and I greatly appreciate that. There's not really much else to talk about. I'll go over the price action with it. So the all-time high of Lossless is going to be $2.72. So with it standing at 60 cents right now, especially for the great use case that it has, I believe that this can definitely surpass that $2.72, especially considering its current market cap is only 22 million. I believe this thing could easily go to $1 billion market cap without issue. So yeah, I believe that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's video, everybody. It's going to be a bit of a shorter one today, considering there's not much to talk about. I'm actually going to vote bullish on this real quick. And I hope that you have been having a great weekend. I know it's cold in lots of places in America today, so I hope you guys are all staying warm. And I will go ahead and end my video on that. Always remember, when in doubt, zoom out, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday.